Here I have XIAOMI Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the passwords and security section, then fingerprint. Next you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, pin, password. Select pin. Get to know with this information, then tap got it, enter your pin, then confirm it. And what you have to do next is to tap the fingerprint sensor here with your finger for it to remember your fingerprint. It did successfully, and now you can, for example, unlock your device with your fingerprint. Wow! And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.